Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to add phone number in Lazada. To add phone number in Lazada, you have to make sure that you are logged in either through the official website that is lazada.com or by using the Lazada application. Here, I'll be using the Lazada application. Tap open the application. Once you are in the home page, tap on the account section located on the bottom right. Now, tap on the settings icon located on the top right. Here, tap on Account Information. Here, you can see your account information, including your full name, your Lazada ID number. You can also change your password here. You can disable or enable fingerprint ID. You can enable quick login as well. Right below Enable Quick Login, you will see Add Mobile option that is not set. Tap on it. You have to enter your valid phone number right here. Once you enter your valid phone number, tap on Verify Mobile Number. And after that, you will get a verification code sent to your mobile number. You have to enter the verification code that has been sent to your mobile number and then verify your mobile number. And that is how you successfully add mobile number in Lazada. Adding phone number in Lazada helps you secure your account, receive updates, coordinate deliveries, and so on. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.